hustle and bustle, now and then, this or that. You might have heard these phrases, but do you really know what they are? Let's dive into the world of binomials and understand how these simple phrases can really make you sound so natural and fluent when it comes to writing and speaking in English. But before we move on, here's a small conversation. Let's listen to it and let's get an understanding how these binomials sound in a conversation.
So, how's work been going lately?
It's been good. Just the usual bread and butter stuff.
Yeah, I can relate, but it's a bit of a give and take, right? Some days are easier than others.
Exactly. Some days I feel on top of everything, and other days, I'm just trying to keep up. But it's important to take breaks now and then.
Totally, it's all part and parcel of the job.
Definitely. Just gotta roll with it.
So these phrases have become fixed expression over a period of time and they add a lot of flavor into your language. Like मेरी नेटिव लैंग्वेज हिंदी है सो इवन हिंदी लैंग्वेज में भी ऐसे कुछ फ्रेजेस हैं जैसे हसल एंड बसल अगर आप इंग्लिश में हसल एंड बसल बोलते हो तो हिंदी में हम बोलेंगे चहल पहल ऑलराइट अगर मैं बोलूँगी स्किन एंड बोन्स तो हिंदी में हो जाएगा दुबला पतला अगर मैं बोलूँगी नीट एंड टाइडी इंग्लिश में तो हिंदी में हो जाएगा साफ सुथरा. Alright, in this lesson, I'm going to share with you 10 such phrases which will really enhance your language. But before that, few important points that you really need to remember about binomials. First, that these phrases are made up of two words, they complement each other, and that they come in the same order. For example, I am saying peace and quiet. So it will be peace and quiet. That is how it sounds natural. If you say quiet and peace, it sounds a bit off. One last thing before we start. Please remember that you are not just learning a language, you are developing a skill. All right, let's get started. On your screen, one by one, you will see these 10 phrases along with their meaning and the sentences, how to use them. First is bread and butter. It means the main source of income or livelihood. Sentence. He's a singer and his voice is his bread and butter. Or, a man leaves home for the sake of his bread and butter. Second, give and take. It means mutual compromise or exchange. Sentence. We live in the world of give and take. There are no free lunches. Or, their marriage was a give and take arrangement. Next, now and then. It means occasionally or sometimes. Sentence. He goes for a run every now and then. Or, I enjoy painting every now and then. Fourth, part and parcel. It means an essential or integral part of something. Sentence. Stress is a part and parcel of every job. Or, struggles are a part and parcel of life and one must learn from them and grow. Fifth, black and white. It means something is very clear or straightforward or without ambiguity. Sentence. The rules are written in black and white, so there's no excuse of breaking them. Or, people do not see these things purely in black and white. Sixth, safe and sound. Meaning, free from danger or injury. Sentence. After the storm, everyone was relieved to find their family safe and sound. Or, our neighbors found our dog safe and sound hiding under their porch. 7. Short and sweet. It means brief and to the point. Sentence. The meeting was short and sweet, finishing in just 15 minutes. Or this lesson is short and sweet. Do you guys agree? 8. Odds and ends. It means various small and miscellaneous items. Or small things. Small jobs also. Sentence. She cleaned out the drawer, throwing away all the odds and ends. Or, he sweeps up and does a few odds and ends. 9. Aches and pains. It means minor bodily discomforts. Sentence. After a long hike, I had aches and pains all over. Or, a hot bath will take away all your aches and pains. Last, bits and pieces. It means small items or parts. Sentence. I found bits and pieces of the broken glass on the floor, or bits and pieces of the past raced through her mind. I hope by now you have got a good idea how these expressions can really enhance your language. I have added 5 more pairs in the description along with the meaning and sentences. So if you're as fascinated by binomials as I am, I'd like to hear from you. Comment below with your favorite binomial phrase and don't forget to subscribe for more such tips and explanations. Remember, it is a skill. This language is a skill that you're working on. Work sincerely. I'll see you soon.